Wix website for graphic designer. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to create something like this, our portfolio website, basically nothing hard. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is, of course, we need to create an account. You can use your Gmail to connect it to Wix, or you can create a separate account. After that, we need to open our templates page. So on Wix, you can easily use templates. And after that, you'll be able to interact with them. You'll be able to discover all the templates you can use and you can customize. So nothing hard, just simply search for Wix templates on your Google search or some other browsers, and you'll come to this page with the first link. And then we need to click on basically community or creative, and here we need to select the design itself. So we'll come to the next page where we can now find a lot of templates we can use as a template. I definitely recommend you to start from using from creating your website from someone else's template. In this case, you'll discover all the interface. It will be easy as for you to change something, and after that you can then start from scratch. You can discover all the features and you'll create it as you need. But the first thing, of course, I definitely recommend you is to use someone else's template. So there are a lot of templates you can try to use, some of them even for like game designers, pop shops, graphic designers. So basically you can customize any template as you need. But let's say that we want to use, for example, this template here. So I have our template, we have this page with ourselves, then our works. So we can click on view to see how will it look like. Every single template we can see how will it look like. And then we can discover that all the templates are totally responsive for different types of devices, and it's quite good, I think. So now let's click on edit this site to use this template as our template for creating our own website. And it may take a little time to add it to our editor, but when everything is done, we'll come to this page where we have a couple of options. So in the top of the screen, we have site, settings, dev mode, hard professional, and so on. It's not that important. So the first thing I definitely recommend you to do is to manage all the pages. So we don't need all the pages here. So let's click on pages, click on manage pages, and here we can find a lot of different pages like home, profile, contact, and so on. For example, in my case, I'd like to add my contacts somewhere basically on the page. So I'm going to delete this thing here. And also let's say that I want to delete the profile itself. So it will be like one page website where you can find all the portfolios and so on. So then we are ready to interact with our content, and as you can see, all the content here is divided into different sections. So we have a header, this section here, and then we have a lot of other sections. And in order to interact with them, we can just simply select, and we have some general options. So we can move, we can edit, and of course we need to edit content inside. So just simply click, double click, and then we are ready to interact with text itself. So if you don't want to change every single text, you can find some pre-created templates as for styles. In the left side, click on site design, then click on change theme, and here we can find different versions of how can it look like. So we can change, fonts, we can change background colors, we can change colors itself. So sometimes it could be really helpful if you want to customize it for a little. So definitely try to use this stuff. In my case, let's say I want to use this one here. Then you need to take a little time to manage all the text. Probably you want to delete this one here. You'll have to manage this image. So we can click on change image. Then we can select it from our stocks or upload our own media. So depending on your purposes, on your needs, spend a little time, a few hours to customize all the templates, all the pages, add your like own cases here, add your own works, and after that it will be easier as for you to continue with interacting with the website. So every single object, as I already said, we can just simply click, manage media, do some other stuff. If you want to add something, you can just simply click on plus in the left side menu, click on add elements, and here we have a lot of options we can add. We can add images, buttons, strips, a lot of decorative things, and also we can even add like different pages. So if you're going to click on pages and menu right up here, you can click on add pages. For example, if you want to add it like profile, minimalist, overlapping your theme probably, so it depends on your choice. A lot of options available here on the portfolio page. We can add a Wix portfolio if it's necessary, and then we are ready to interact with our website. So it may take you a little time, maybe 1 or 2 even days, but yeah, take it, and then you'll get the insanely good website for your job, for your hobby probably. And when everything is done, you can then click on publish in the right top, and your website will be published to the internet, which is quite good. You can even see it. Of course, we'll get some Wix branding here in the top. Probably you won't be able to receive payments if you want to do it through your website. And in order to get it, we need to basically create paid plan. So let's choose it. Let's click on upgrade and let's discover all the paid plan they provide us the opportunity to use. And we have a light, core, business, and business elite. And the first plan is quite good. Light is quite good for the website like this. So you'll get like custom domain, free domain for 1 year. You'll be able to remove a Wix branding, get some storage space, lead capture forms, fields for form. So yeah, quite good basically. And one more thing I wanted to show you is that after publishing, we can open our dashboard in the left top. We can click on go to dashboard. And from this page here, we can now manage a lot of things. So in the left side, we have this option where we can go to analytics, for example, to discover all the traffic overview, find the statistics, real-time data, some visitors. On the marketing area, we can then discover some SEO checklists. You can optimize your website for SEO, use the Google Analytics, manage Google Ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, so you can promote your website if it's necessary. So as you can see, nothing really hard in interacting with Wix in order to create your own website. And I hope, guys, that this video helped you out. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. And I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.